MAESTROVISION, providing law enforcement with cost-effective next-generation video intelligence systems with an intuitive interface. Introducing VEOTEK, MAESTROVISION's law enforcement evidence management system. This application is offered in both cloud and on-premises configurations. VEOTEK integrates with MAESTROVISION's KeyServe video interview recording software. All interviews, including the metadata information, are automatically uploaded and stored here. To launch VEOTEK, double-click on the application icon. Note that from here, you can decide the language you want to use. To access your account, enter your username and password and click Connection. MAESTROVISION offers a user management console, allowing you to incorporate everyone authorized to access this application. To create a new user, click on the plus icon on the bottom left of the screen. Once the information is filled, select the assigned group from the existing list and press Save. Each group is assigned with specific authorizations, allowing for each user to access, view, create, or modify assigned media. Once VEOTEK is open, by clicking on My Account tab, you can display the information about your account. From this screen, you can also search from a quick or advanced search tool. Quick Search is a tool where you enter a keyword and the application will search for it in all the fields of the database. If you're looking for a more precise search, Advanced Search will be more suitable for you. From here, you can make a search using any criteria you choose. For example, I may be looking for all recordings done by David Brown after January 1st, 2021, but before December 31st, 2021, about a DUI. In this case, the system displays 3 recordings. You can view recordings as thumbnails or as a list by clicking on the icons on the top left of the screen. The top left indicates the number of recordings that were found. Here are the tools that allow you to navigate the application. You can refresh the result of your search or open the Quick Search page. The top right displays the name of the user, offers to log out of the active session, displays and downloads the instruction manual, displays the VEOTEK license information, and displays the page information. The bin on the bottom right is your personal repository of all the media you are currently working with. You may have to work with 4 or more interviews at the same time. By putting your interviews here, you can jump from one to another with a simple click. The buttons on the bottom left are for media management. From here, you can upload a file, download a file, delete the recording, and play the recording. The Share button is an interesting feature. It allows you to share media with a specific individual. Let's say you want to share an interview with a lawyer. You first need to create an account for the lawyer in the User Management Console, assign them authorizations, and then you can share the interview. The lawyer will only be able to see the interview you shared. The Lock button prevents other users from modifying a recording. Simply click on the recording you'd like to lock and then click the Lock button. You will then see a lock icon appearing on the bottom left of the recording thumbnail. Only an administrator with an appropriate permission will be able to unlock a recording. Let's look at the media that was recorded. There's a lot of information surrounding the thumbnails. Here you can see the title indicating the case number. Under here is the duration of the media. On the top right, you can remove this media from the search result, add it to the bin, or see a quick view of the media, which opens a window with an information summary of the recording. To access, view, or modify the metadata information, click on Asset Details. Here you will find the identification fields containing all of the information you entered in the KeyServe video interview recording application. including the case number, the interview type, the interviewer name, the interviewer title, the event type, and the subject name. From here, it is also possible to edit the information. Let's say there's an error. The interviewee is not a suspect, but a witness. We make the correction and press the Save button. The system fields are metadata information created by the system itself. Here, you will find the create date, the begin time, the duration, the end time, the last person who modified, and the last modified date. The left-hand side of the user interface displays the thumbnail, all the files related to the media, and a quick access view, allowing users to navigate from all media in the active search. Finally, the bottom left contains the functions that allow users to save the information entered and upload files to the system. For example, to modify the thumbnail, just click on this icon, then click on Upload Thumbnail. A window will open, allowing you to select a picture and click Open. You see on the top left of the screen the thumbnail that has been replaced. To print the information, just click on the Print button. To return to the search page, simply click on the left arrow. To play the interview, you can either click on the play icon on the bottom left or double-click on the thumbnail. By default, the application will open with all screens side by side. You can also view your recording in different layouts by clicking on one of the buttons on the top left of your browser. To start playing, simply click the play button. To get to a specific point in your recording, you can click on an annotation, click on a thumbnail, or click on the timeline. The right-hand side of the player displays the annotations taken during the recording of the interview. You can add an annotation by clicking on the plus icon, edit an annotation by clicking on the little pencil, or delete an annotation by clicking on the X. You can export the whole or part of an interview using the Sequence tab. To do so, click on the tab and click on the plus sign. Enter the sequence name. On the timeline, set the position to the beginning of the wanted sequence. Click on the Mark In button. On the timeline, set the position to the end of the wanted sequence. Click on the Mark Out button, then click on Generate. Finally, click on Download. A window will open allowing you to search for a location to download the sequence. You can download to a DVD or flash drive. The download file will be a zip file that you can share with anyone. Click on Entry Point and the sequence will play in your default browser. You will get the same features as when we play the interview in the VEOTEK application without having to log in. The benefits of MAESTROVISION Law Enforcement Evidence Management System are countless. You have unlimited users, unlimited storage, and the application offers easy, secure management and sharing of your recordings, all for one low cost. If you'd like to try the application for yourself, simply scan the QR code below and use the username DEMO and password DEMO to log in. Thank you for watching this brief demo of VEOTEK, MAESTROVISION's Law Enforcement Evidence Management System. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-424-5505 or email us at info@maestrovision.com.